No, we are not going inside, outside.
Ikot lang tayo. Pag ikot natin, pasok na tayo.
Yes.
Ito yun, yung may mga lights down.
Oo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Too much. You can sit here, you can go there, it's okay. This is not grass, this is artificial grass. So, ooh. That is the rabbit from I love the weather is so good, so calm. The goat, ear of the goat. So, yeah. Yan. Yeah, pipicturean na sila. They are already enjoying the locations.
So nice.
And I love it also. See, oh my god, Moa football pitch. Oh, I will watch someday here. Let's go, Philippines women's team.
Look, this from America.
Let's go, Philippines women's team. They practice. This is a home ground of
This is where Ronaldo
Oh,
goes.
Filipinas. Sa kanila na yan, home ground nila. Dito na sila training.
Sayang wala silang practice today.
Sayang na nga.
So big.
Sana.
February lang na-open to eh.
Yeah.
Dati yan, wala pa.
Yeah. But the bad news is what, you know?
Ano?
It's a goat.
The FIFA decided they will not allow to play in any artificial grass.
Guys, what? Guys, guys, Ronaldo's the goat.
No, that is Messi. Messi is the goat, not the Ronaldo. Who said?
Ronaldo's the goat.
Artificial, Baba. Yeah, sayaw si Neon.
Ay, wala pa pala sila.
Oh, I like the art also. Okay.
Tatak ka sa dito.
Guys,
Punta tayo sa church.
Yeah, let's go to the church. Sue! Not Sue, I don't want Sue. I want Messi.
no.
They have Moa Sanctuary, South Sky Plaza. They have Moa football pitch. I like the football pitch. Sky Plaza. Yeah. And they have Moa Sky North Mall entrance. Oh, that is beachfront. Yes. Oh, Sky South front. Okay. Nice place. So good to be here. Hindi naman. Bawal ba to?
Okay lang yan.
Okay lang. Thank you po. Thank you po. Pwede to. Thank you po.
Morning prayer.
Guys have to be quiet.
Guys, have to quiet. Please welcome. Your life be all that you love. In order that you will come true. So I don't know. I don't know that much about her story. Do not play, please. Do not play. Let's go inside. Wala. Oh. The aircon are blessed.
Where is the tent?
Yeah. Outside she's busy. She's taking all the time to read everything. Oo nga. Ngayon lang napansin ko, kala ko may design. It's open pala. I thought there is something, ano. I thought we are going inside, but we are coming outside pala.
This is inside. That one is outside.
This is outside. See, there is no roof. Oh, this is outside.
And then we're stuck without the doors.
There is something waiting for you inside. Surprise. You will notice when you go inside.
Okay, let's go.
This I didn't notice in few minutes. Sabi ni Oni doon na ako naalala. Okay, na-notice mo na hindi? Wala na sa roof.
Wala ka? Wala. Parang design eh. Di ba parang design? Parang design na sa tinitignan ko po ang galing naman ang pagkakapil. Akala ko talaga may roof. Parang may painting na blue.
Yeah, I thought also may roof eh. Pero wala pala roof.
Kaya pala hindi siya malabis.
Oo. Ayan.
Look guys, it's a balloon. It's a balloon.
That's the lights ngayon. No,
Papalitan. After August 31, papalitan.
yung tagal ko na hindi ko ata pansin na sky na gano'n na blue.
Oo.
Ngayon ba lang?
Kaya nagulat ako talaga
That, hindi, kung sa bahay tayo parang hindi ko napansin eh. Baka hindi ako lalabas. Yeah, we are not going out of the house, that's right. See, so then, okay, so I can finish.
Walang playground dito.
There is baby horse, unicorn, see? Run. Neon got 3. How fast you can run? Run, go. Faster, go. Alexa, go run. Go, 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 go. Tayaan, tayaan. Tumbling, tumbling, let's go. You can, yeah, he can do the tumbling. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, go.
Masakatante.
2, 3, go. Race? Hindi niya kaya. Yeah,
Grabe ganda.
it's so good to play here. Here, see?
Pwede
So
siya
how
pag
to-
may mga event.
Touch your
I don't know. See, it's a good area. Playing here, playing this kind of football field. It's a dream. Huh? Yeah.
Baka this can be rented din.
Yeah, maybe.
Pero ang mahal nito.
Oh, per person is 250 or 300 pesos kamo. Then total of they are 30. Then 30 times 200, 6,000. Ganon per hour. Ganon. Every 1 hour, 2 hours. Ganon.
Sayang, no?
Yes.
Pero new pa siya, kaya hindi pa siguro maraming games or something.
No, this is only for training lang na, no? Hindi pa ata. Local, I don't know. Check ko. Susunod, check ko kung may
I
game
mean,
sila.
kung may mga local nga, like intercity, interbarangay, pwede dito i-help.
Siguro.
Year mo ba?
Stop.
Ayaw ko.
Stop. You're not excited. I'm gonna race until over here.
Yeah. Isn't it, Alexa? It looks so good here. Pictures are really good also here. Yeah. See, wheel. Yeah. Very sure. See how good is it?
You and me gonna race over there.
Yeah, that is my ear of rabbit. Ano meron dito? Why they didn't put anything here? Oh, only roof, nothing is there. I thought something is there. This is really good place when you have time with the family, kids. Yeah, you can go. We can be here. Some
Mataas yan, hindi pa kaya saluhin. Hindi kita kaya. Ay, masakit pala balikat mo.
Masakit ang braso ko.
Meron siyang ano,
I cannot understand.
meron siyang injured. Injured siya, injured. Ito naman, ano po kaya?
Come here. I have idea. I have an idea. Come
no.
here. You go stay there. Go there.
Malaglag ako na.
Come. You
Ako
sit down
na,
here.
sakit balikat mo, diba?
Sit down kaya ko naman. Hindi ko kaya ng reason.
Ano yung bag? Saglit lang, wait lang. Yung bag kukunin ko muna. Bakit ganyan?
Oh, hindi mo kaya mo na yan.
Wala pa nga eh. Mabigat ka lang. No, you're just heavy. You cannot bring. You cannot carry yourself. That's why. Upo ka na lang dito na yun.
Go down.
Oh. Tapos pa ikutin mo.
Very good. Good.
Tama na, baka malunok yung bubble gum. Yung chewing gum.
Okay. Tayo.
Oh, ikaw na, Alexa. Yo! Ay, yung Alexa, yung bata yung next. Oh, ikot mo si Alexa.
Ba't ka ganito? Break low!
Next na yung bata. Ikaw, Catherine. Siya muna. Go, kuya. Doon tayo, Alexa.
Let's go.
Tatagilid ka pag ako. Bababa na siya ngayon.
Hindi ko kaya. Hindi. No. No, let's go. Bitaw, paa. Go.
Wait lang. Pants ko na, tapos puta.
No, I cannot do it because I'm injured. My hand is injured. Go.
Ba't magkasalubong tayo? Parang sa kabila. Huwag dyan, nakataas yun eh.
Go.
Ready?
Go.
Wait lang ako na.
Okay, go.
Dadaling kita.
Sige, go.
Hindi ko kaya. Ang sakit sa kamay.
Si ate, ikaw nahihilo dun. Go. Other side naman. Uy.
Ano ba?
Pig. Neon. That's neon. Pig. Baba.
Anong year niya yung pinanganak? 2017. Oh yeah, that's you!
Want to tower more, but we're hungry. That's why we're going back to the mall. Oh, it's fun. Fifth floor, but I don't know which one is. Yogurt. Time zone. What do you mean? We are going to eat somewhere. Food court. Food court. Yeah. Founders Donut. This is very cool. Oh. Chachos. Los chachos. Yeah. Los chachos. Muchachos. Huh?
Gusto mo check natin?
Pwede, check natin. Wala naman problema. No es problema.
Parang
Kiti gusto para
parang
kami doon.
Spanish naging Korean.
Let's go.
Hola, sir, ma'am.
Hello po, hola, ¿cómo estás? Hola amigos, hola chicos, chicas. The other way? Okay. We change in the Mexico.
Dito kami nalintita ulit.
Siéntete por favor. No, no, no. Hindi, ampunin mo na yan.
Ampunin mo.
Come out muna, ako muna first.
Lapit ka lang.
Ako muna first, ayaw pa.
Dito una.
Oh. Oh.
Dito ka daw sa kabila.
Oh, dun ka muna, sa kabila. Yan ang welcome here. Ito po. Basta sa akin.
Kailangan ko ng sabi.
Buen vendido. Todos.
Ito.
Esto es mi canal.
Ganito.
Isa Messi. Eso es para comida. Mexican food. At para. Si Mexican. They have the worst food. Racha. Life is bueno. Bueno.
Chicken.
Is it spicy?
Ay, wala namang ano eh. Wala namang sili eh.
What?
Ano?
Spicy.
Kala ko naman kung ano yun.
Kalasa lang, pero iba.
Ay.
Parang.
Ay.
Nachos hindi masarap na. Only the nachos is good.
May flavor na siya eh.
Yeah.
Maharap may sibuyas at kamatis.
And you know, San Mig like only 75 pesos.
Oh.
Mura.
Sa loob ng mall?
Mm.
Yes,
Excited.
sige, sige.
Excited.
Is that a coffee?
Actually, this one is Mexican. They sell
Parang
it outside.
Parang oat milk eh.
They are sold in the street, parang sa Philippines.
Street
din.
drink.
Oh.
Parang sa gugulaman, gano'n.
Oh, ganun.
It's good like oatmeal drink.
Is that
Parang ano, yung soy,
Shot.
Vita soy.
Parang soy milk.
Cream ang lunch for naked. Meron. Ah, meron.
Then for carnistas na lunch bowl. Ay, na lunch po na burrito.
3 pieces ba ito? Kanina 4 pieces pa lang. Ay, nakaw. What? Is it good?
This is a pizza.
Pizza. Oh, Alexa, go. Get it na.
Oh, order na dito ng isa pa.
That tastes like a pizza.
Good. You want to dip
Baka
it.
konting spicy.
Yun ano lang yun, ano, yung kanina nakain na curry powder. Ganun taste yan. Oh. Oni.
Is that spicy?
Tama lang yun. Isa lang.
Order mo na ako burrito ng yung roll isa. Upgrade mo na doon.
Ah, yung ano yung may...
Is that spicy?
Ito sasabihin mo.
Dip it. I cook at the home kanina umaga. Same
Ano
lasa.
yan? Yung may chimichanga ka mo.
Same dal.
Parang this chips. Yun, yun na.
I wanna sip this one.
Oh, dahil nag-order ka ng rice, akin na to. Ang lasa. Hindi mo ginamit yung ano? Ano?
Okay lang.
Sauce lang
Not
sa...
too strong. Not too like na luto ko. Sauce lang siya.
Masarap yung sa ano?
Mm.
Pero baka ito yung original taste. Eh.
Mm. It's the fried one.
This is so big. What bread?
Ito eh.
Spicy?
Mm.
And the taste?
No. This one. Crunchy
And
one.
the crunchy one.
Bigyan natin ng... O, tignan mo yung pork.
Ate. It's not that hot.
Oh, enough
Good
na.
one. Enough na. So good.